Hey, I'm Andy, a high-performance car enthusiast with a passion for well-engineered automobiles. I love to drive mountain roads with like-minded enthusiasts, along with sharing driving tips and techniques. This road doesn't have extremely sharp turns like you would see on the Dragon, right? When I do the tail of the Dragon, what you see there doesn't quite have that kind of turns, but it has these really long sweeping turns. The North Carolina side does a good job of marking the roads and the turns. You can see on this side the pavement is really, it's really great pavement. Was probably paved within the last 3 or 4 years. And then as we come into a turn, you see these arrows on the other side of the road, and based on the number of arrows you see, basically tells you how sharp that curve is going to be. So if you see 1 arrow, then you see 2 arrows, then you see 3 arrows, you know it's going to be a sharper turn, and kind of pay attention, right? Here's 1, here's 2, there's 3, there's 4. So it's telling you, hey, this turn keeps going. The Cherohala Skyway will climb to, I think the peak is at 5,500 feet. So you can see the colors on the leaves here, and as we get closer to the top, I think you'll see probably more browns as they've already kind of peaked and they're probably past their peak. The other thing we'll see on this road is we'll see these little tick marks, little white tick marks. It's a great sight line. We'll see these little tick marks coming off the center lane, the center line, and the side line, the right line on the side. And those tick marks indicate that the upcoming turn is a decreasing radius turn, which basically means that turn's going to keep getting tighter. Many of these turns have a consistent radius, so as you set the wheel, you can kind of hold it and follow around the turn. But there are some that have an increasing radius, which means the turn will open up. Some will have a decreasing radius where the turn will get tighter. So you think you're done turning, and that turn will just keep going. It'll get a little sharper. The thing to be careful with those turns is to tap on your brake in mid-turn. Last thing you want to do is upset the balance of your car. If you tap on that brake in the middle of a turn, you're going to put weight forward. The rear end is already light going through the turn. You're going to make the rear end more light, which can create an oversteer situation, which means the rear end of the car will want to slide out from under you. So my recommendation is, if you go into a turn and you start to feel a little like, whoa, just lift off the gas. Gently lift off the gas. Don't pop off the gas, like totally let go of it. Gently lift the gas, because you want to settle weight towards the back of the car. That's what you're trying to do. Like here, I'm just being steady on the gas. Once I hit that apex, I can build on the gas. Some of these turns I don't have to brake. I just go to a lower gear and I don't have to brake. I can just kind of let the car settle down. Here, I'll give a little tap, get into that turn, gently off the brake, gently to the gas, slowly build, 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 go. Come up here, brake, gently off the brake, back to the gas. Build, 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 go. Little tap on the brake, back to the gas. Slowly build, 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 go. Here I'm just lifting, coasting, 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 coasting. Slowly building the gas, build, 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 go. Little tap on the brake, off the brake, back to the gas, build, 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 go, 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 go. Brake, leaves, off the brake, back to the gas, slowly build, 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 build. Nice and steady. It's a long turn. Patience, 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 and go.
Group 2 heading out. This road's awesome. 28th grade.
Group 2, watch for the leaves on the road.
Group 2, watch the leaves on the road.
Be sure to follow the sign for 28 South. Group 2, you're making a
Yeah.